Today, I'm preparing for a shoot of a beautiful family home designed by Grace Castaneda. There's always a lot of last-minute things to pick up and lots of running around to do.
Incoming call.
Hey, Rika, how's it going?
Hi, Grace just called and she's wondering if you can pick up some more flowers.
Oh, sure, no problem.
To make things easier, our friends at Mazda sent me a brand new 7-passenger CX-9.
Their timing could not have been better, because not only do I have a lot of props to pick up, I've also got to pick up my kids. That's great. Very futuristic. I think the kids are going to be really excited when they see this car.
I can do it. Okay. I can do it.
Okay.
Wait, you know how to drive.
Yeah.
How do you like the car, Francis?
Because it's super fun.
It's cool, huh?
Francis, you don't need to whisper. I see my dad.
Did you see Daddy?
Yeah, I saw Daddy too.
Aww.
I just saw our house.
Did you see our house? Mm-hmm. How did it look?
It actually looked kind of creepy.
Did it?
And actually it looks...
Maybe we need to do some yard work. Here we are. You ready to take a look at the house?
Hi.
Hi. Come on in. Thank you. Those are pretty.
My little helper today.
Can I take those for you?
That would be great. Thank you.
I love Grace's work because she always adds a sophisticated beauty to her designs while keeping a practical energy to the space. It's kind of the mix you want when you're designing for a busy family.
I try to look beyond the function, and this family, loving art, loving color, I wanted to make sure that every single room had something that was stimulating for the kids, something that could, jog their imagination. I think kids deserve to be in a house that sort of reflects their imagination and their creativity every single day. They had some really great furniture pieces already. We chose the 2 armchairs to recover in a really beautiful woven teal blue. I made sure that, the sofa being a larger piece was neutral, but we threw some wonderful Christopher Farr fabric pillows on them. And then the 2 little yellow ottomans were just that punch of color that when you put them in the room, it totally brightens it up. And that to me was sort of what the happy in this room became.
This is my favorite thing. It's soft and nice. And it's good if you just came back from a run and you just need to sit down and the couch and the chairs are full. The thing that I like about the eating area is that they have 2 tables. So if you are having a party or something, you can fit a lot of people.
There wasn't a banquette here, and it was such a perfect spot for one. Just being able to give them as much seating as possible, friends after school, everything happens here. It's crayons, it's homework, it's dinner, obviously. Occasionally the kids fall asleep on the banquette, which I really love seeing. It just means that they're really immediately comfortable in their surroundings. The mudroom was one of the selling features in this house because the windows are original. We just painted all the frame and mullions black, and they almost, at a distance look like steel windows. And it, in a way, becomes the art on the wall. There are 2 girls' bedrooms. The younger girl's bedroom, again, I wanted to make a statement that also reflected her personality and her stage in life. I am a huge fan of the Hunt, Sloan and Bunnies. I would use that wallpaper in almost any room, in drawing rooms and powder rooms, but to have it in a little girl's room is particularly charming.
I like the bunnies.
This is a magnetic board.
Look what I read.
You wrote my name. Thank you.
The room for the older girl, that room gets amazing light, so it was an opportunity to do lighter, fresher colors. She loves teal blue, so we did a custom headboard for her in velvet. I found some amazing XOXO wallpaper, but at a distance it looks just like a subtle pattern, but when you get up close you actually see what that graphic is. It's just enough of a statement for a room of that girl's age.
Francis, seriously?
Okay, guys, time to go. Yeah.
Unlike the rest of the house, I believe that the master bedroom should be an oasis of calm, and that was really the idea there. It's monochromatic, but lots of different textures. I had a credenza built into an empty side of that room, which was really just dead space, just to sort of clean up the lines, make everything very horizontal and linear and at the same quiet level. We put some picture lights up top via pot lights, and now it's a really beautiful place for her to display things and to hide things. You know, I have lots of clients with younger kids. I'm always encouraging families to kind of just go for it. The other thing that is true is that nothing lasts forever. So that sofa that you upholster 10, 12 years from now, you might have to do it again. But don't you, for that 12 years, just want a sofa that you love? I don't think we should ever shortchange our kids from design and beautiful things.
Later, guys.